Let's go ahead and take a look at this lesson. So here are my steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So make sure the absolute value expression is isolated. That's my step 1. Set the inside of the absolute value equal to both positive and negative number on the other side of the equation. Then we want to solve both equations. And then you want to write your answer as a solution, what we call a solution set, which is with these little curly brackets here. Okay? All right, so I didn't do all of these because there were a ton of them in class. So I started off with, I think I did all the evens, or like had a handful of the evens. So what I wanted is like m is equal to 14 and m is equal to negative 14. So then like 4, so it'd be a negative 7a is equal to 28, and a negative 7a is equal to negative 28. That's what I mean by setting them equal to a positive and a negative value. So divide both sides by negative 7, so a is equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 7, so a is equal to 4. So a is equal to, curly bracket, negative 4, 4, and another curly bracket. 6. So w minus 3 is equal to 4, and then w minus 3 is equal to negative 4. So then I add 3 to both sides, so w is equal to 7. Add 3 to both sides, so then w is equal to negative 1. So w is negative 1 and 7. Let's do ones where we have to like isolate the absolute value. So I want to isolate the absolute value. So add 8 to both sides, so then absolute value of y is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3, or y is equal to negative 3, so y is negative 3, 3. Divide both sides, by negative 2, so absolute value of z plus 3 is equal to 7, so z plus 3 is equal to 7, or z plus 3 is equal to negative 7. So subtract 3 from both sides, so z is equal to 4. Subtract 3 from both sides, so z is equal to negative 10. So z is negative 10, or 4. Okay. Here for 13, I would multiply both sides by 6. So absolute value of 2w minus 4 is equal to 18. So 2w minus 4 is equal to 18, or 2w minus 4 is equal to negative 18. Add 4 to both sides, so 2w is equal to 22. Divide by 2, so w is equal to 11. Add 4 to both sides, so 2w is equal to negative 14. Divide both sides by 2, so w is equal to negative 7. So w is negative 7, or 11. Okay. Do the fraction one, so add 24 to both sides to start off with. So 3 over 2 times 4r minus 4, not a parentheses, an absolute value, is equal to 3. Oopsies. Multiply both sides by 2 over 3. So then I get 4r minus 4, and absolute value is equal to 2. So 4r minus 4 is equal to 2, or 4r minus 4 is equal to negative 2. Add 4 to both sides, so 4r is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 4, so r is 3/2. Add 4 to both sides, so 4r is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 4, so r is 1/2. So r is 1/2, or 3/2. Okay. And then this weird situation here. So I cannot have an absolute value be equal to a negative number, so this is no solution. When I isolate here, I divide both sides by negative 3, and I get a 2x plus 1. Is equal to negative 7. Again, no solution. So absolute value can't be equal to a negative number. And that's it for this lesson.